sir. Is this your car?
No, Mr. Officer. It's his.
What's your name, sir?
It's Balolo, Mr. Officer.
Do you have an English name?
Oh, yes, Miss Officer. His English name is Balolos.
What's your name?
My name is the officer is Tetelo. In English is Catwoman.
Yeah, I see the resemblance. Where are you guys off to?
Nowhere, Miss Officer. We're just here having a picnic.
You can't have a picnic here.
Don't get so excited, Miss Officer. You see, our tire's flat. That's why we're having a picnic.
They look all right to me. Which one's flat?
I beg your pardon?
I said, which one is flat?
Oh, the one in the boot.
Okay, guys. Get out of the car, please.
What for, Mr. Officer?
Because I want you to get out of the car or you'll be coming back with me in my car.
Oh, no thanks, Mr. Officer. I quite like sitting in my own car.
Listen here, you two. First, you don't have a warrant of fitness. You're both drunk. This is not on.
Mr. Officer, how do you know we're drunk?
Well, you try and walk on a straight line over there.
I can't, Mr. Officer. It's in my way. Besides, I don't have my generals on me.
Okay, wise guys. In you go.
Mr. Officer, where are we going?
Home, guys. Home, sweet home.